Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing the Epson EcoTank ET-3830 with the HP SmartTank 7001 wireless all-in-one cartridge-free ink tank printer. We will evaluate the features of these products and help you decide which one is the best fit for you. So let's get started. The Epson EcoTank ET-3830 is priced at $399, while the HP SmartTank 7001 is priced at $419. Although the difference in price is not significant, the Epson printer offers great value for its price. The Epson EcoTank ET-3830 has high-capacity ink tanks, which means you won't have to worry about replacing cartridges frequently. On the other hand, the HP SmartTank 7001 also has an easy-access, spill-free refill system that makes it convenient to replenish ink. Both printers offer exceptional print quality. The Epson EcoTank ET-3830 utilizes unique precision core heat-free technology and Claria ET Pigment black ink to produce sharp text and impressive color photos and graphics. The HP SmartTank 7001 consistently delivers outstanding color graphics, photos, and crisp text for all your prints. The Epson EcoTank ET-3830 features paper-saving auto two-sided printing and a 250-sheet paper tray for higher productivity. The HP SmartTank 7001 also has automatic two-sided printing and can print borderless prints, making it ideal for printing flyers, brochures, and other marketing materials. Both printers have modern connectivity options. The Epson EcoTank ET-3830 features Ethernet, wireless, and hands-free voice-activated printing. It also allows printing from your smart device with the Epson Smart Panel app. The HP SmartTank 7001 offers mobile and wireless printing. And there you have it, folks. We hope our comparison has been helpful to you. Both of these printers have their own benefits, so it ultimately depends on your printing needs and preferences. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews.